Granular started in 2014 out in San Francisco. We are a venture-backed technology company entering in agriculture, which was primed to be a very exciting space looking forward now 5 years ago. It became very evident as we had more customers, as we were working with farms, that we needed, service and support to train and help farms step into some of the innovation things we were doing. So placing an office here in Champaign as a second headquarters made a lot of sense to build out a team of, perhaps farm kids who had a U of I College of Aces degree and could train farms on ag tech. I helped hire, Sophie, our first recruiting manager, Madeline, our customer success manager, all the career fairs, all of the tech talks. Sophie and I would go, and she would know kind of how to sell the pitch of what the work was going to be, and I would sell the vision of what we were doing as a company and how are we impacting agriculture. The culture that we had, the three of us, the four of us, the six of us had built, again, based on a lot of teamwork, collaboration, getting the work done. We are up to 65 employees now. 35 of those folks work on the customer success side, 30 on the engineering side, and we're a really critical part of the entire company's day-to-day activities, and has been awesome to go from one person to 65 and be in an environment that's super collaborative and fun.
I sort of came across Granular as I saw that there was a startup opening in Research Park that was focused on agriculture. I have some ties to farming in my family, and that coupled with the idea that they are doing something very innovative and it's sort of a new light sort of really caught my eye, and I ended up coming aboard 3 years ago. Farming is not a simple process. There is a lot of industry knowledge, often family knowledge that goes into it. Having people that can bring that knowledge from their homes, from their own operations, is just a huge strategic advantage in our business. I think that we recruit really awesome people here, and that would be sort of antithetical to our approach if we didn't turn around and empower them and believe in them and trust in them to do the right thing for the business and for our customers.
What we're working on here at Granular every day is building that future. We're building the foundational things that will likely vastly change the landscape of farming, of technology, of how our food is produced. We can see all the little things we're working on every day that's going to contribute to that vision, and that's what really empowers me and why I love coming to work.